Let's begin with my simulations lab setup. The green area symbolizes a simulation lab. Separated by a glass wall is the viewing gallery or debrief room, the yellow area, where audience observe the activity in the simulation lab and live AV transmission. Hidden behind the one-way mirror, the white area, the simulation control station. In simulation lab, we will find mannequins or patients parameters monitor, and a laptop of various medical records for the training. Viewing gallery has the TV with live video and audio transmissions. In simulation control stations, there is a mannequin control laptop. Let's see how this ATEM Mini Extreme HDMI switcher links these rooms. This will be a multi-cam system. 2 PTZ cameras are located in the simulation lab. These webcams are connected to Mac Mini with fiber optic USB-C to USB-C cable. The cable delivers power, transmit audio and video signals, while allow Mac Mini control the PTZ functions of the webcam via Insta360 control apps. Mac Mini is supported with dual screen monitor and connected to ATEM Mini Extreme via LAN cable. This facilitates use of ATEM Mini software control apps for complex video controls like PIP video output. Mac Mini M2 supports up to 3 external displays. With this, its HDMI output support dual screen monitor, and with QuickTime Player, 2 Thunderbolt ports forward webcam videos to the HDMI switcher. Since this switcher has 8 HDMI in ports, mannequin control laptop screen will be captured as well. From the simulation lab, with the concern that patient monitors and electronic medical records laptop will be adjusted in the mid of training sessions, both devices are connected to the HDMI switches with wireless HDMI transmitter and receivers. As a recap, ATEM Mini Extreme HDMI switcher has received a LAN cables, 3 HDMI and 2 wireless HDMI. With ATEM software control, the switcher first HDMI output is a PIP or picture-in-picture video to the viewing gallery via HDMI extension transmitter and receiver. The remaining HDMI output provides an overall video's multi-views at the AV monitors in the simulations control station. This gives flexibility of live video selections to stream to the viewing galleries with the actions in the simulation lab. For details of ATEM Mini Extreme HDMI switchers operation, do refer to the Black Magic Design webpage. For audio component, the webcams capture the conversation within the simulation lab for the switcher. And there is audio out from the switchers to allow audio monitoring by the mannequin's controller. And the last piece of this setup is the microphone with voice changer is located in the simulation control station. It's for mannequin controller to speak for the mannequin via a speaker hidden in the simulation lab. Hopefully the above helps to elaborate the technical flow of this HDMI switcher that I like to propose.